Williams. Imagine Williams. Is this something? Hindi, bakit? Wag mo! Enough na na. Nako!
Ayun na. Ito yung second floor. Ayan. Ito yung second floor. Check natin. Ayan. May hallway dito. Check. Ayun.
Let's go na in first.
So, if I press this again,
Let's go na.
this thing will close. Which means it's 3D modeled. Ito yung ground floor. Wait.
Hindi naman nila natapos ang mga kasi.
Ito natin yung ground floor. Sanay mo ko. See, may floated din. Stairs. Ayun. This is so cool. Ayun, may jeepney dito. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, yung basement.
Tinatawag na tayo.
Okay. Okay, wala lang. Okay, wala. Tayo. Okay, kita na yung basement.
Your video is on, but then...
Ayun, ito yung gymnasium na ito. At mayroong parking. Ito yung parking. Pero makakita na kung may TV. May TV doon. Yan. Pero kung nasa... Yan. Sorry.